Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video friends, I will share you beautiful patchwork handbag ideas. So I hope you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today video. So friends, my first idea is reverse. Like different fabric pieces, you can use all cloth, scarves or printed fabric. Try to choose different color and design for a unique look. Now cut the fabric into equal square or triangle shapes. Arrange them in a patterns on a flat. You can mix colors like or denim or plain fabric. Next we start stitching the pieces together carefully. Make sure all edges are joined properly. This will become the front part of your bag. Now cut out back pieces from strong fabric. Attach both front and back side. Leave the top open or now. After that, adding lining inside the bag and reversed. This make it strong and neat. Now stitch the sides completely. Next, add handles to your handbag. You can use fabric strips, denim or rope. Stitch them tightly on both sides. Now decorate your bag. You can add button, lace or small flowers. This make your bag more beautiful and stylish. Your patchwork handbag is now ready. It is unique, handmade and friendly. You can use it daily or gift it to someone special. So I hope friends you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates friends. So viewers, see you in the next video. Take care and